Do you want to come outside with me, my lovely James, with the really splendid engine? No way, Rosie. I don't want to come outside with you. You're horrible and stinky. I already have Fluttershy. So yeah, get out of my way. So yeah. So shut up, Rosie. Just shut up. Yeah. Talking about listening Lily. Wow, 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 wow. I thought you liked me, James. Wow, 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 wow. Ha! Yes, I finally yelled at Rarity the Splendid Engine. Yes, I finally yelled at Rarity. Yes, I finally yelled at Rarity. Racist James